This lesson is on the multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. So what we're going to be doing in this lesson is to take a problem that you already know, like let's say 5 times 6, and we know that 5 times 6 equals 30. And then we're going to take that and we're going to change this 6 and add a 0 and go 5 times 60. And when we do that, all we need to do is simply add on a 0 because 5 times 6 is 30, but 5 times 60 is 300. Okay? And if we add on another 0 and have 5 times 600, then we have, that is going to add another 0 on, which equals 3,000. Then if we add another 0 and we have 5 times 6,000, we will have 30,000 as our answer. Now, when we're doing this, you want to be careful because sometimes you'll have a 0 at the end. Like in this example, we already have a 0 in our original answer, that 30. If you have a problem like the next one we're going to do, you'll be able to count your zeros. So those are the kind of the two different problems that you'll see. The next one, I'll do one right under so we can kind of compare. If we have 3 times 7, 3 times 7, as we know, is 21. Okay, so if we do 3 times 70, we're going to be adding a 0. So we have 210. And there we'll see we have a 0 here and a 0 here. We don't have to worry about that extra 0 because we have a 21 instead of a 30. Or in this problem, you can't just go up and count the zeros to make sure you have it correct because that original problem has a 0 in it. So you have to be just mindful of that when you're doing problems like this. So if we have 3 times 700, that means that we have 21 plus 2 zeros. Because each 0 is, each place value represents another tens place. Okay, so 3 times 700 is 2,100. If we have 3 times 7,000, we're going to have 21,000 because 3 times 7 is 21, and then we have the 1,000. Okay, so that is basically how this works, and that's all there is to it. How out!